If you hear pale skin and immediately think English rose, let me tell you that not all of us have this porcelain hue. No, some of us are pale and yellow toned, and that quickly turns into looking sick rather than any floral analogies. So to prevent people asking me if I'm ill whenever I go makeup free, I heavily rely on my newfound favorite, the Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. Hi, I'm Dr. Anne. I'm a medical doctor with a passion for skincare that works. On this channel, we explore the science behind skin and do quick reviews, so you learn to pick exactly those products that work for your individual skin concern. So if this is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and ring the notification bell. Now, I already told you that within 6 weeks of using the Luxe Super Glow, I cannot imagine ever being without it again. But in order to make this a proper review, let's get at it methodically and hear what Luxe has to say first. Super Glow is the world's first hyaluronic superfood self-tan serum. Think your best skin ever bottled. That's a lot of caps. The serum comes in a frosted glass bottle with a dropper. It has a milky color, is a little gooey but spreads easily, and has a noticeable floral scent. The scent is not unpleasant, in fact it's way better than the usually cookie dough scent most DHA-based self-tanners have, and it doesn't linger on your face, but I probably would have preferred no scent at all. It is suitable for morning and nighttime use. You just reach for it whenever you would usually apply your hydrating serum. After a bit of experimenting, I found that for me personally it works best used as part of my evening routine. That way it can work its magic overnight and I wake up at least looking well rested. You can use it on its own, which I prefer, or mixed into other creams. Except some deeper tan lines that I had on my hairline when I was really in a rush with applying it, it never got streaky or patchy on me. And that has to say something because I at applying fake tan. Ingredient-wise, DHA is at 4%, that's what they tell us. So the only thing except water that has more than 4% is glycerin. The superfood mentioned is mainly several seed extracts and oils that claim to act as antioxidants and provide blue light protection, a topic that I addressed in another video that I'm going to link up on the screen now. Further antioxidants are vitamin E, vitamin C, and even retinyl acetate, but in presumably very low concentrations. I wouldn't count much on the antioxidant and anti-aging effects, but the hydrating properties surely are there. Now, if you ask me whether the Luxe Super Glow serum is worth the money, well, I really don't like it if claims are written in caps and contain words like superfood. But if you're willing to look past that and maybe erase the word superfood, which is mainly marketing speech, it is what it says on the bottle: a hyaluronic acid self-tan serum that gives you a healthy, glowing and slightly tanned complexion. I would repurchase without hesitation. Yes, it is pricey, not going to lie, but the way it makes me look and the ease of application for me is absolutely worth it. Now, everyone needs a hydrating serum, and if, like me, you're more on the pale and yellow side with a tendency to look sicklish, this is a great pick-me-up for your complexion. If you're not into self-tanners, there are much more affordable hydrating serums out there to try, of course, my favorite being the Inky List Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So whether you want to invest in this one or not is how good you are with applying fake tan and how desperately you want this slightly bronzed complexion that this gives you. I wouldn't go too far to purchase this one just for the anti-aging claims or antioxidant claims. I think there are better ones out there, but for a hydrated, well-rested, healthy, glowing complexion, this is the one to reach for. Please tell me in the comments below if you're a regular user of face tanners. I'm going to link to more videos on the screen that I think you might enjoy, and I'm going to see you all very soon with another one. Bye!